friends, hope you have successfully filled the application form for your UPSC Prelims examination. Now comes the most important thing to prepare effectively for your prelims examination, to clear this prelims examination in the next 3 months. To catalyze your prelims preparation, SIVARAJAVEL IAS Academy has come out with a crash course for your GS prelims. This crash course is scientifically designed based on the analysis of the trend of the UPSC examination. We have seen 40% of the questions are coming from the repeated themes in the previous years. So based on that input and the current trend of the UPSC examination, we have scientifically crafted a 65 hours of crash course which will cover your entire GS in 50 hours and CSAT in 15 hours. 5 subjects are there in your GS: polity, geography, history, science and technology, environment and economy. Each subject will be covered in 10 hours. So totally 50 hours will cover the entire GS. Now come to CSAT. To help your CSAT preparation go very effectively, we are going to have 15 hours of CSAT classes which will include both the reading comprehension as well as your mental ability. How we have scheduled the 65 hours of crash course? In this way, 6 weeks, 65 hours. The first week will be for Indian polity. 4 classes will be handling in this first week, 10 hours, followed by a full-length test of Indian polity with detailed discussion by the expert faculties. In the second week, we are doing geography in the same pattern. Third week, history, same pattern. Fourth week, environment and science and technology. Fifth week, economy. And sixth week, 5 classes we are going to have. 3 classes for your mental ability and 2 classes for your English reading comprehension. Now in 65 hours, you have completed the entire prelim syllabus. And it is not stopping with that. We have to check how far we have revised in the form of this. We should understand where we stand, and this is going to happen in the form of 5 All India mock tests. Once you have completed, then in 5 All India mock tests, you are revising again and again, and that is the key for UPSC preparation to clear the examination. That is revision. Revision is the key to clear this examination. You have revised many number of times, and this is going to make you clear this examination. The course is going to start on March 7. It will be available both online as well as offline. Enroll and excel in this examination. Thank you.